The Institute of Life Sciences, popularly known as ILS, is an autonomous institute located in Bhubaneswar, which is one of the first planned cities of India. This 3-decade young and enthusiastic institute was established as an autonomous institute under the administrative control of Government of Odisha in 1989, and since 2002 it is flourishing under the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. The Institute of Life Sciences, as evident from its name, takes into consideration the study of life in all its forms. However, a special focus has been laid on cancer biology, infectious diseases, genetic and autoimmune diseases, and plant and microbial biotechnology. These initiatives of ILS have significant relevance to health and disease management, nutritional and agriculture improvement. Cancer being a major problem in the country nowadays, and cancer treatment being in its nascent stage in India, a special focus is laid by ILS scientists on the development of exploring new avenues to develop diagnostics, therapeutics, and prevention approaches from cancer. ILS has adopted a multidisciplinary approach to understand and identify novel strategies to combat various types of cancers like leukemia, oral, pancreatic, prostate, and breast cancer. This is done with a close collaboration with clinicians. The scientists have observed various cellular and molecular alterations that are perturbed during the onset and progression of cancer. Infectious disease is also a quite prevalent menace in India, which the group of scientists at ILS are on their toes to fight. ILS envisions to acquire insight into biology of pathogens, pathogenesis of disease progression, and evolution of pathogens in the context of their relationship to the human genetics. Key issues of pathogen biology, host pathogen interaction and disease pathogenesis, immune regulation, inflammation and immunopathology, antibiotic resistance and drug discovery are dealt with in detail by the scientists and researchers. These aspects decide on the diagnosis, host response, disease onset, progression at molecular and cellular levels, identify drug targets, enable specific drug design and development and treatment of the diseased. ILS covers a wide spectrum of life sciences ranging from human to plants. With increasing population and food demand and agriculture being the backbone of our country, agriculture needs to be more innovative in the coming times. Industrial activities also need to grow with time and needs. Hence, ILS is finding ways and means for increasing agriculture productivity in environmentally challenged ecosystem and address the current demand and future needs of industry for improved microbe-based technologies. This has been made possible with the help of activities like crop improvement, which has the potential of transforming large areas affected by salinity into cultivable land and thereby enhancing agricultural productivity in coastal areas. Similarly, microbial biotechnology, plant biotechnology, and plant molecular biology play a major role in achieving targets. All these efforts have immense potential for the development of society at large. For example, the flagship program of ILS on tribal health and nutrition is taking science and health issues to the grassroots. ILS is also using its massive students outreach program for the economic empowerment of tribal farmers, specifically in Nabarangpur district. ILS has a well-structured societal outreach program for improving food, nutrition, and health security of rural and tribal communities. ILS also focuses on developing therapeutics biomaterials team. Their research activities are aimed at developing rational designs for new biomaterials as delivery vehicles to regulate, repair, and regeneration. Its team is also working in the fields of bone tissue engineering, bio-inspired drug delivery system, and bioengineered drug delivery system. To perform all these activities par excellence, ILS has well-equipped labs with latest instruments. The institute has well-established infrastructure including research facilities, genomics and proteomics platforms, flow cytometry, imaging facilities, animal house, greenhouse, plant tissue culture and zebrafish facilities, and high-performance computing facility, etc. with the financial support from the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India.
The overall mandate of Institute of Life Science is to use science and technology for improving human health, environment, and ultimately ensuring the human well-being. We also give major emphasis on the training and capacity building or what you call inculcating a scientific temper in the younger generation, so that more and more people are attracted to science and technology in future. So looking back, I think ILS has done considerably well in its defined mandate, and looking at the future, I think some of our research outputs can really be utilized for benefit of the rural communities of Odisha and other regions of the country.
Taking cues from real-life sciences, ILS has felt the need for developing a structured science outreach program. ILS has been conducting scientific events, conferences involving scientific communities, students, farmers and policymakers in the area of its expertise in an effort to take science to society. ILS has established research and development partnerships with many institutions nationally and globally. Institute of Life Sciences has a long list of achievements. ILS faculty have attracted significant extramural funding, including a unit of excellence in cancer biology. Over the years, ILS has produced 84 PhDs, over 560 publications, and applied for 22 patents, of which 2 have been commercialized. With impressive infrastructure, experienced scientists, students, and a dedicated support staff, ILS looks forward to strengthen its position as a national center of excellence in the country.